So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the tortilla TikTok hack 3 ways. So keep watching.
So we're going to start out with the breakfast one first. So you want to put a little butter in your pan. And I have 3 eggs here. Alright, these eggs are done, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Next, we're going to add 3 strips of bacon. And we're going to fry this bacon up until it's golden brown. Alright guys, so this bacon is done, so we're going to go ahead and take it out. Alright, to this pan in the bacon grease, I have some hash brown. So I'm going to fry this hash brown up. Add in some salt. And some pepper. Alright guys, now that this has like a light brown sear on them, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Normally I would cook them a little bit harder, but I don't want them to be too hard inside of our tortilla wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out now. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start assembling our tortilla. So first you want to take a knife or your pizza cutter, and you want to go up halfway, like that. Then you want to go in with those eggs that you made earlier. And you want to put it here. Like this. Then put your bacon here. You might want to break it up into pieces like this so it'll all fit. Then you want to go in with your potatoes or your hash browns. And last but not least, I have some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese that I'm going to go ahead and put here. So next, what you want to do is just fold your tortilla up like this. So that's 1, 2, lost a couple pieces of egg, 3, and 4. Just like that, guys. Now what you want to do is go ahead and put this in the pan to cook. So you want to put some butter in the pan. Like that. Then you want to bring your tortilla and put it in the pan to brown like this. If you want, you can just mash it down like this and hold it so it can get a little bit flatter. Or you can just let it go like that so it can do its thing. Alright guys, so we're gonna now give this a flip. And you can see that cheese is nice and melted right here. So we're gonna let this go for like 2 minutes. And if you feel like your cheese and stuff is not melting on the inside, you can take a lid like this and put it on top, and that will actually help to push the burrito down in the pan, and it will trap some of that steam and the heat in to melt your cheese. So you can do it like this as well. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes, and as you can see, that is nice and golden brown on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. So this is our first burrito down, and this is our breakfast burrito. So our next burrito will be the lunch burrito, and I'm going to make a pizza burrito. So I have some melted butter with garlic and a little bit of salt, and I'm going to take that mixture and I'm going to paint that onto our tortilla. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut that tortilla to the middle like that, and I'm going to put some pepperonis right here. Now I'm making this one for my son, and he doesn't like onions and green peppers or mushrooms or anything like that, but if you want to go ahead and add that into your pizza burrito, you can feel free to do so. Now I'm going to spoon on some tomato sauce right here. And then some cheese. Then I'm going to give it one more layer of pepperoni. Because who doesn't like pepperoni, right? And we're going to roll this up just like we did the other one. There. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the pan to cook as well. Alright, so we're going to put some butter back into the pan. And when this melts, we'll put our burrito back in. Alright, so let's add that in. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and give this a flip. You see that's nice and golden brown. So we're gonna give this another 2 minutes on this side and then we'll be done. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes. And that's also nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and we're gonna start on our last but not least final burrito. And that will be the chicken quesadilla burrito. Alright, got our burrito once again. I'm go ahead and make that cut halfway up. And I have a rotisserie chicken here that was for dinner last night that they didn't finish. And I just went ahead and seasoned it with some chili pepper, garlic, onion, and Sazon Complete. And I'm just going to use that chicken. So I'm going to put that chicken down here like this. I have my cheese that I'm gonna put down. Now, last layer of chicken. And then the cheese. Alright. I'm gonna roll this up. Ooh, it's a big one. I'm gonna roll it up like that. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the pan. I'm gonna melt that butter down. I'm gonna go ahead and put that wrap in. And because this one is so big, I'm gonna go ahead and put my top down just to weigh it down a little bit. And we're gonna let this go for 2 minutes as well. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. And I'm gonna put that top back on. Alright guys, it's been 2 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Alright guys, here's my 3 burritos. They're all finished. Here's my breakfast one with scrambled eggs, bacon, hash brown, and cheese. Here's my lunch one, and it's a pizza one with pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. And my dinner one of chicken and cheese for chicken quesadilla. And I'm gonna let you guys see up close what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, it's hot. You can see that cheese melting, guys. And that's it. That's how you make the TikTok burrito hack.